Welcome. Safety is our absolute first priority. Only together can we prevent unsafe situations. That's everyone's responsibility. Know your responsibilities and you'll always stay one step ahead of danger. Awareness of health and safety, the environment and well-being is not a 9-to-5 job. It has to be second nature. As well as the information that has already been harmonized, location and company-specific information also applies. Ask for it. Today we'd like to draw your attention to spills. A spill is an unintentional release of a harmful substance. For example, natural gas condensate, petroleum, chemicals, and excipients. If a spill is unintentional, then it is handled as an incident, even if there is a permit to discharge the substance in question. Report every spill to the site manager or supervisor, even if no harmful substances have escaped into the environment. Any spill should be reported, recorded, and registered. This is important because it enables us to find structural solutions for problems. Besides, this prevents environmentally harmful situations from occurring. The way this should be done depends on how serious the spill is. There are certain rules. There's a number of common causes of spills. For example, the installation is old. Spills might occur when the maintenance program is incomplete or when there's a backlog in the maintenance activities. Another common cause of spills is operational mistakes. And finally, human action is another common cause of spills. Some critical installation components often develop spills, like shaft seals of valves and pumps, seals and gaskets, fittings and flanges, underfloor pipes and underground pipes, flexible hose connections, and valves. It's very important that you know what you should do in the event of a spill. First of all, never touch a spill. Secondly, report all spills directly to the site manager or supervisor. You must also prevent further spillage and distribution into the environment. And finally, prevent further spreading of the spill throughout the environment. Of course, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So in order to prevent spills, keep up the work protocols, procedures and instructions. The management of risks of spills are contained therein. If you believe this is not the case, notify your site manager or supervisor. Besides, it's important to identify spillage-critical parts and activities in the production process and report these to the site manager or supervisor. You also prevent spills when you're aware of the activities carried out by others on the location and when you know the substances, equipment and materials with which they are working. In addition, you must store chemicals so that the substances will not escape directly into the environment in case of a spill. Therefore, use collecting trays and impermeable floors. And finally, regularly take part in spill response drills. Be alert and help to prevent harm to our working and living environment. For questions or further information, you can turn to your supervisor. And remember, work safely or do not work at all. Good luck!